Okay, now 2-3 pencil work is there. Then we'll start loading with we are going to do this with oil pastel. Something with different, not the watercolors, not anything. We'll go with the oil pastel.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes. Yes, it is okay, Pradeep. Yeah. Dhruvi, open your video. Okay. Now, the black pencil color. First, take the black pencil color. Before making the eyelids, you can see there is a depth of black below the eyelid. So just go and load extra black below the eye shape. Extra means extra. See, I have loaded extra black. And you see, it will give very nice look. A thick, as if we load the kajal for the downside. Same you're going to give on the top one to give the thick eyelid effect. And as I go near the end here, I'm just going to increase little bit the width. Now, take your pointed black pencil. This we are doing right now because once we load the oil pastel, then again you are going to do, and that is the eyelid. This small this. So how you are going to make it? From just see, from year to year, it will be on this side, the heads. Okay, from year to year. Just see the direction. From year to year, they will be in this direction. From where the eye pupil, the whole eye pupil is there, from there to there, it will be in the standing direction. As you come towards the downside, means this is standing direction, but as you come towards the downside, you're going to move downwards. Clear? Again, I'm going to repeat. Just see. I'll make it, and then from year to year, they are very scanty, the hair, and they will be in this direction, like this, where the eyelids. From year to year, where the eyeball is there, iris is there, it should be straight, standing upwards. Okay, little bit, but more. And from year to year, where it is going downwards, your eyelids will go, that is the eyelids hair will go downside. Clear? And this you're going to make it right now. 1 minute, just hold on.
Ma'am, can you please zoom up the eye?
I have not done. I am going to do it right now. I have not made anything. Okay? Okay, now for, as I said, from year to year, they are very scanty. Actually, everywhere it is scanty, but then also just make a flying stroke. 1, 2, 3, slanting wise. Make it with your pointed pencil. Then, now this side, then start doing it in the standing straight one, flying stroke. Okay, and now as you come downwards, just give a curve and go downwards. I'll just zoom. And here it will increase. The size will little bit increase. Clear?
Mom, is this okay?
Yes. I'll not be able to see in the camera. I'm zooming it, that's why you're able to see. I'll see it afterwards. But are you able to see? Everyone can see it? Yeah? Also make this lines are there now. That much, because afterwards we will only run the pencil. You can make this with the help of your gel pen also, so that you can load your pencil color on the top of the gel pen, or you can do it with your some of them are made big. I'll just show you. Wait. Okay, now with your big pencil, go with your big pencil. Just pointed with pencil, you're going to make a double line. Yes?
Ma'am, it's a black pencil.
This is pink pencil. Can you see? below the black line, I've left little bit space and I've made the pink. Pink one. Done? Okay, everyone has gel pen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what about everyone? I'm asking everyone. Does everyone has gel pen? Okay, make this inner side, the inner shape with the gel pen. Outer not required, only the inner this shape pattern is there na, that you are going to make it with the gel pen, because once we load the oil pastel, we'll be only able to see with the help of a gel pen. I'll show you what I want to say.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, can I show my picture? This has become dark.
Okay. It's okay. Leave it like that. And with the oil pastel, it will become light. The shade will
Ma'am, can I show you?
right now, no. Right now, you are going to judge yourself. Every time after 2 minutes, nobody is going to show. I'll see everyone's, whenever I say that, yeah, show now, that time everyone will show. Oh no, there is my agenda. Okay. With your gel pen, just make. This is only for.
Ma'am, you said you are using gel pen.
Yes, gel pen only for the purpose. Why? Because when we load the color, I'm loading it here. Yes.
Ma'am, you said that we only have to do the inner details
Which one?
of the eye with the gel pen.
Gel pen here, this is when we load the oil pastel, we are loading oil pastel. That time the pattern should be visible, and that is only visible with the gel pen, because gel pen doesn't merge with oil pastel. If I use black pencil, it will merge with oil pastel. That's why. Nothing else. This is only for, because afterwards we are going to use the dark pencil to give the outline.
Ma'am, but can we do with gel pen?
Huh?
Can we do with gel pen?
When once you use oil pastel over a gel pen, or soft pastel, again gel pen can't be used, because gel pen tip has a very small ball bearing. All the particles, if it goes inside and stuck, you'll not be able to use that gel pen again. So gel pen is recommended when you have done before the color loading of oil pastel and soft pastel. Okay, watercolor no problem, but sometimes watercolor particles also dried one can go inside the. So it is depending upon if you're giving an outline outside the oil pastel, but far away, then no problem. You can use the this gel pen. Okay. Now take your color. I'm going to go with the same color. So it has light pink, pink shade, fluorescent pink.
Ma'am, mine has these many shades. You can tell which one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so first we do the gel pen outline and then we color with crayons or soft pastels, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is violet. This is light pink, means plain pink, fluorescent pink. I'm taking this violet shade.
Miss dark violet.
Violet, not dark violet. Plain violet. No dark violet. Okay?
Ma'am, I don't have violet.
Orange.
Miss, I don't have violet. I have only dark violet.
Okay, take that. Orange, light orange, and orange. Yes.
Ma'am, soft pastels are same as oil pastels?
No. Soft pastels are different.
Okay.
Soft pastels are different. These are oil pastels. Oil pastels are this.
Ma'am, did you use oil pastel or soft pastels?
We are using oil pastels.
Okay.
Deep yellow.
Can you repeat the colors?
Yes, I have to say. Deep yellow and medium yellow. Little bit of red also, or scarlet will be there, but it's not there. Now, secondly, those who have done this very dark. Example, I do remember Parth and Dhruvi. Show me, just hold, everyone hold it. You are going to make little bit light shade on the outside. This should be the main. Yes, Amira also. There is one more. No, Pragati will go with dark. Shivani, you'll go with a medium shade, Shivani.
Okay, ma'am.
Means not dark, not light. It should be medium.
Okay, ma'am.
No, where is Kushi? Kushi, show me yours. Yes, Kushi. So 3 and 4 names I have told. They are going to go with a light shade. Means you are going to look. Yeah. Om, show me yours. Parth, I said your. Parth, Dhruvi, then Kushi, Amira. Got it? Parth, you are going to go with me. The same shade what I am going to load. You are going to load the same color, but you are going to load one pressure less. That is who 4 people what I have told. Others will load with me, and Shivani, you are going to load it with a medium shade, both of it. Clear?
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, it is okay.
Yes, it is okay.
Ma'am, is this okay? The colors ones.
Yes. Arish, you are going to go with me. Only 4
Okay.
people I tried. Once again, I am repeating. Parth, Dhruvi, then Amira and Kushi.
Huh?
Okay? Pragati, all others will go with me, and Shivani will load medium both the sides. Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat the colors?
Yes. 1 second. Pink shade. That is light pink, fluorescent pink. It is not light pink, plain pink and fluorescent. Then
Fluorescent pink. Can you repeat the colors?
just I am repeating. Everyone see. Pink, fluorescent, light orange, orange, medium yellow, violet, not dark violet, not light violet, the same one, and last one is medium yellow or light yellow. This is light yellow. I've taken this also, deep yellow also.
Ma'am, what if we don't have fluorescent pink?
You don't have fluorescent pink, take rose pink, but you will load it very little. rose pink dark shade is there. That's why.
Can I use middle purple light yellow?
If it is light yellow is not there, take lemon yellow.
Ma'am, can I have the middle purple cake?
Yes, that only you're going to take.
Ma'am, can I use these? Ma'am, do you have,
Yeah.
can I use fluoro pink?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, I don't have light orange.
You don't have light orange. Go with orange and white. Take white wherever required. Okay.
Ma'am, fluorescent pink and?
Fluorescent pink and light pink. Okay. Now I'll start
Okay.
from here. The first is I'm loading violet. Now wherever I say tick loading, there you
can I
have
use
to load
fluorescent
tick loading. Listen, everyone is going to listen to me first. Wherever I'm going to say tick loading, that means again I'll show you what is the meaning of tick loading. Tick loading is you're going to load it. This is called as a tick loading. Medium loading means the color has to be loaded. Little bit shade is there. Less. And very scanty loading or just loading of the color is load your color so that very less. Got the difference? This is the pressure. This is just to have the feeling of the color. This is to merge the color, and this is to have the color itself. These are the three pressure of the colors. So wherever I said tick loading, the tick loading will be this. Load the color means this, and load very less means this. Clear to everyone? Should I repeat it? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, which purple?
The center one, not the dark, not the light. Plain violet is there, no? That one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
are these the colors?
Yes. Go with it. Now, first for the tip, what we have done. So first I'm just touching violet. Go on mute. Then at the tip, I'm doing nothing. I've opened the reference picture and I'm loading the color one after the other. I'm loading all what I'm loading right now is with a medium pressure. That is, the color is there where it will merge with other color. The center one, what I've shown. I'm going up. I can see this on the top, pink color shade.
Ma'am, can I use this?
Yes, use that.
Ma'am, are you using pink color?
Yes, I'm using the pink color, not the fluorescent pink. What I am loading everywhere is the medium shade, not the very less shade or the dark deep shade. Okay, done. And here also I can see the pink one.
Ma'am, which shade are you using?
Pink, plain pink.
Ma'am, which pink?
Pink. Which pink I don't know. This is the pink.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, here very less. Just touch your violet color in this area, and on top of that, the pink is there. Same is down, violet, very less, and on top of that is pink. By mistake, if you load very dark, then we will make it light by using white color. But instead of that, go with the pressure so that you will also be able to practice it nicely. little bit of pink.
Is this the same pink?
Yes, I have not changed. I'll tell once I change it now to other one. I'll tell. Right now I'm loading pink and violet, and now I'll require the light orange also. So just loading two colors so that we'll be able to merge it. Then little bit one line of violet, and then with the help of my light orange. Those who don't have light orange can go with Simon pink also or peach color. Are you able to see what I have loaded? I can see your pink shade now, and next to it is violet. And below that is light orange, and after the light orange, once again the pink shade is there.
कर दिया मैंने तो फिर फोन दे दो नहीं रख जाना बस फर्स्ट सेकंड अरे मैं फिर जॉइन कर दूंगी
The violet, that is what shade we have taken, and the light orange. Wherever the shade is very less, we will load our earbud over that. We are not going to load extra color on that area. I'm loading only where I'm able to see the colors. Wherever this side or this where I have left white, we can see a shades. White is also there or little bit shade of the color. So what earbud we are going to merge, we will just run that earbud over that area. Clear to everyone?
Show close up.
I'm doing nothing. What I'm doing, I've zoomed on my mobile, I've zoomed the eye artwork, and I'm just loading whatever color I can see with the help of oil pastel. So everyone can do it like that. Yes, Aruli, continue. Slowly. Everyone can just do the same. Or follow me, no problem. Okay? Orange, light orange. Next to light orange is, below is pink. And the violet. Here in the center is violet, and then light orange, and at the tip is pink. This I did 1, 2. Okay. Now this is a mixture, that is base is orange. Wherever the orange shade is there, then on top of that is little bit of pink. And just start your violet color on top of it. First base was orange, then the pink and violet. And the last one is violet and orange. Yes?
Ma'am, you've used fluorescent?
No, I have not yet started with the fluorescent. I've taken only
Okay.
this 3 color and I'm just making shuffling
Okay,
it and loading it accordingly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The purple or violet, whatever is there here, down is orange, and the top one is pink. Here, orange and pink together. And just orange for this area.
What color you use here?
This is only orange. This is orange and pink together. Behind is a pink. And in this, I can see pink line. And the top is orange. Just below this, what combination we have done, same combination comes here but little bit dark, leaving a white side on the down part. Just see, orange, on top of that was pink. Yes?
Ma'am, is this okay?
Yeah, go on loading. We are not merged. Anything goes wrong, I'll tell you what to do. Just go on loading. And the violet. The big one, I can see violet. The pink. And the orange.
Can you zoom it?
Yes, I'll zoom it. Done till here. Everyone do till here, then we'll merge it. This part, then we'll go up.
Ma'am, you said me to do lightly, so can you see if it's light enough?
Yes. Yeah, after merging, you will come to know. But by mistake, if somewhere the dark is there, you yourself have to judge. See whether the eye is visible very nicely or not. So for that, this. And if it goes dark also, then take your white oil pastel and run it over that area. Very good drizzling. And this definitely everyone's, it will look nice. First of all, the eye has come out very nice, though you have loaded different colors, but it has come out very nice. And we are using, that's why I have changed this to oil pastel. Because when we'll merge this oil pastel along with eye, this also will give us a shine. Done, everyone? Yes? Yes, very good, Iraira.
Ma'am, wait, okay?
Very good, Aroi. Yes. Pradati, very nice. Yeah.
Okay, miss.
Done. Everyone done?
Ma'am, can we make it our own style, like the color combination?
Yes.
Can you zoom it again?
Yes. Yes, Parth. It is okay. Parth, load little bit of pink. Pink is sorry, a little bit of orange to give the bright effect, not pink. Very good, Amira. Okay, take your earbud. First, I'll merge this. I'm going to go from just merge it.
Mama.
Yes. Okay. Now start merging this. Whatever you're going to merge, you're going to merge it very softly. You're not going to scrub. I'm merging all the colors. Can you see? I've merged this. I've merged but very softly. I'm just running my earbud softly over the area what I've loaded and one by one. That's why if you want that shape, now what I said, that here we have not loaded anything in the white area. Whatever is there on our earbud, I'm just going to run my earbud at that place. I'll zoom it. Nowhere I'm giving a pressure to merge this color. Oil pastel will merge very nicely. I've merged up to here. Can everyone see? This much area I've merged. Here we have not loaded anything. So with the help of the same earbud, I've loaded the color. Wherever the white is there, you just run your earbud. Leave it white also, no problem. It looks nice. Though we are not merging the colors with one another, then also we have loaded the merging stroke. Why it is like that? Can anybody tell me? Think of it and tell me. We have loaded all over merging strokes. That is the medium strokes, and I said that is called as a merging stroke. Why? Where the colors are to be merged with each other, and here we are just loading the color. We are not merging 2-3 colors together. We are giving the effect same. Wherever the orange is there, orange, we are merging it with the one earbud only. Then also we have used merging stroke. Any idea? Can you guess? Just think of it. Nobody participated in this competition, online or competition of Narasimha and that from this batch.
Ma'am,
Very nice, Arul. Yes, Parth.
can I participate in the competition even living overseas?
Yes, you can. Anybody can. It's a virtual class, online class. Anybody can participate. It's not this. It's open for everyone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is this okay?
No, Drizzling, you have merged together all the colors. Can you see why all the colors are separate? Not a single color is merged with each other. Merging, I said merge it very slowly. Oh, very nice, but you have loaded a thick colors. That's why the effect has come like that. That will come with the practice. This doesn't come with a one day, first time only. But very nicely loaded and all that. The colors what I've instructed. Yes.
Ma'am, actually, she has started the Narasimha, but she couldn't finish it. When is the last date, ma'am?
It was yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, she was not feeling well, so she couldn't complete it. We'll just complete and share the pic with you, ma'am.
No problem. But
Okay.
see to it. If she is not able to do it, do the sketching and submit it.
Okay, ma'am. Fine.
It's only the participating.
I
I
think
want each and every student to participate. What is the
Actually,
gift?
ma'am,
Yeah.
this
The
she has
gift is
done,
not. Oh, very nice.
She couldn't complete it. I'll make it complete today or tomorrow, by
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Very good. Dhruvi, yeah, it is okay. Load little bit of pink in this area. There is a pink shade. Here. Where the orange is there, na, little bit pink is there. Yes, done. Kushi, very good.
वो बता रहे थे कि टॉपिक्स देते हैं वो बनाने के लिए
Very nice.
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
Yeah. Shivani, very nice. Perfect.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Pragati. Pragati, very nice. Yes. Nicely done.
मैंने मर्जी कुछ करा ही नहीं मम्मा
Ira,
प्रति जरा सारा रघु ये टाइम देगा पहले फिर हो गई लाइट
Ira, you have not left white part. I've left it purposely to give the effect, the wings effect and all that. You have not left any of the white part. You can see in the reference picture also there is a white part. So with the pencil, okay, we'll start with this. Here, we have done till here. Now in this area, there is black also, which we are not going to load with black. We'll take a dark violet. Take a dark violet. No black color because it should not spread.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes. Yes, Nandini, show. Very nice, Nandini. Now with the dark violet, just like a flying stroke, load it in this big and then your pink. I have not yet used anywhere fluorescent pink. I'm using the same pink. Load your pink in the remaining area and also on top of your the dark violet.
मैम कैन यू प्लीज सी माइन
Yes. Yeah, it is okay. You have loaded light violet. Light shade of violet you have loaded.
मैम इट इज नॉर्मल वायलेट
Okay, because the shades is looking here on top of this is orange. Again, with your dark violet, I can see the violet shade here only in this area and this area top. Pink on top of it. Leave this violet like that only. And behind this is the medium yellow or light yellow, whichever. Or if you don't have, you can load the lemon yellow also. Only this much is the yellow and this part is yellow. Top, the sparkle what has come, that is yellow. Otherwise, and this area is yellow. Now take your fluorescent pink. Okay, here just load your fluorescent pink. Next to that, keep your dark violet aside. Now we don't require, right now we don't require any dark violet. Below this pink ring, just leave a white part and make a ring of violet. I've kept dark violet aside. I'm taking a normal violet, what we have loaded here. And again below that is the fluorescent pink. Top side I'm loading fluorescent pink. Bottom we have loaded the pink shade.
Ma'am, which yellow you have used?
Light yellow. Or if you don't have light yellow, go with your lemon yellow. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, below this area, below this, I can see the pink shade. So, loading the fluorescent pink. Leaving white area, huh? And wherever the white area I've left, I'm just loading the light orange over there. One more, sorry, for the above the eyelid, the light pink, the pink which we have used, just load it in this direction, with the direction of the eye, like this. Wherever you have made the small hairs and all that, just load your light, the pink over here in this direction. Light orange. And at the base is fluorescent pink. Top is light orange, base is fluorescent pink. Now here, plain violet, not the dark one. Just load your violet. Below that is the fluorescent pink. And below that is your orange. I'll load little bit of orange here also. I'm leaving white area to give the shade. Okay, now start from top. Same violet, not deep violet. I'm not taking dark violet. Just loading violet on the top, giving the curve. What is the shape we have made? Okay, little bit of brown shade is there. It's not brown, it's maroon and orange.
What's the color of
Little
the
bit of, yes.
what the color of is that blue color?
No, nowhere I have loaded blue. Yes, very good, Arul. I have loaded violet.
No, no, this one. The one which is close to that. Means it has a white space between.
Violet only. Till now, nothing I have loaded. See now here I'm just loading here. I'm just loading first maroon, little bit of maroon.
Which color are you using?
This one is a maroon. I can see a brown shade, but I don't want to load brown shade. Maroon shade I'm loading, and in that I'm loading little bit of orange. So it will give the shade light orange. Yeah? On top of it, I have loaded the light orange. Load your fluorescent pink. At this side, the tip is how we loaded here for the tear gland. Tip is violet, and below that is fluorescent pink. Leave the white other side. Huh? Done. Yes. Okay. Same technique, what we did, loading. Just start. Only for yellow, you're going to use the clean one. Huh? Nobody is going to merge a yellow color with anything. You can load it, merge it afterwards. Don't pressurize and merge it. Merge it, it should merge very nicely with each other, but don't give pressure. Just merge it slowly, slowly, slowly. Run your earbud over the same area if the color is not getting merged. Okay, little bit of same shade what we did here. I can see it here, dark shade. So I'll just load the maroon shade on top of the orange. I can see here and here. I'm giving that shade. And here. 3. Merge it. Don't go inside yellow. If you want to merge yellow, use the other side of your earbud. Plain one, clean one. Very nice, Sarul.
Ma'am,
Yes.
where's the black color pencil? Okay.
Yes, I will get you through it.
I had made the eyelashes with black color pencil, but when I was merging the oil pastel, by accident I merged the area where the eyelashes were. So now it's a little bit black from there.
It's okay, we are going to make black, we have not done. Now we are going to give a black shade everywhere. Because now it has to be highlighted what we have done. Okay, what about background? What background you're going to search for the background for this artwork? Everyone. Om, I'll tell you. Om, Khushi and Amaira. You can search Khushi and Amaira if you want any background, but I'll guide you. Om, you can also search, but I'll guide you which to go. Others, you're going to tell me what will be the background. Very nice, Pragati. We are not done. Give me for 2 minutes more. Everyone, Iraira, same thing I said. You have merged with the pressure. It's you'll have to merge the colors. All the colors are at the same space. It has not merged with each other. But then also, all colors are merged together. You have merged it, all the colors together. Okay, no problem. It's okay. Take your black pencil and make the outline for everything. Okay?
How is it?
Yes, Vedika. Vedika, very nice. Just load little bit of orange, na? Pink and violet is only seen. Load, if you don't have light orange, just load the orange. That shade will give nice effect to the eye. While orange is looking very nice because here we have not loaded and the third color is coming, giving a shade of it to the eye. Here also.
Load of orange.
Okay, share it in the group, then I'll come to know. Very nice, Amaira. Beautiful. Shivani, very good. Shivani, I feel a little bit of pink can go in it. I feel,
Okay, ma'am.
little bit of pink because violet, orange and yellow shade is seen. Pink is not seen anywhere.
Okay,
Little
ma'am.
bit of pink. You can try it. Just see the top or this area, a little bit of pink can go there. It will look nice, bright shade.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah? Yeah, very nice, but
Thank
very good drizzling. Yes, Arish, done? You are sitting, so you have done it, I think so. Arish, you can hear me? Don't behave like that you can't hear me. Can you show me yours? Oh, run your earbuds over this area, okay? Yes,
Can I show you?
yes.
Or is it okay?
Yes, it is okay. You can use the black pencil. Very nice, Dhruvi. Nicely done.
I need the whole background, right?
Yes, but now we are not done, okay? Now, with your black pencil, Arish, you are not going to leave the class, okay? I just want to talk to you.
Ma'am, I have to leave.
Just take your black pencil. I can see the black shade here. Load the black color. I can see the black shade and the purple also. Load it. And now down. Just make the black lines too.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have to leave because I have another class.
Yes, you can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, the eyelashes have smudged.
One second. I'm showing. And where we have made the pink, just load your black pencil, give an outline there. and leave it. Now, wherever you have made the eyelashes, with your black pencil, again pointed black pencil, just feel that.
Ma'am, can I do it with a gel pen so it shows better?
Gel pen will not work afterwards, because oil pastel, it will go inside the gel pen, and gel pen will not work. Done.
Ma'am, but my black pencil is merging with the oil
No, not
pastel.
on oil pastel, it will not merge. Right now I have done. You have merged the oil pastel, that's why the color has merged.
Yes,
On top of that, if you are using pointed pencil and making it, then no problem. Yes, everyone will show me and then you can leave.
Ma'am, can you just zoom in a little bit?
Yes.